As time goes by, we become taller, stronger, and more capable of doing new things and facing new challenges. And as a result of that, many people carry the same mindset that mental, spiritual, and emotional growth happens in the same way. But what a lot of people don't understand is that we don't simply get better by just living. Yes, of course, you might get more experience and learn something new, but that's insignificant. Just because you're getting older doesn't necessarily mean that you're getting better at handling new relationships or improving your spiritual life, for example. The real growth doesn't happen accidentally. Let's just take a look at a practical real example. If you want to build up your body, you don't simply assume that you will become a bodybuilder just because you're getting older. Yes, of course, your muscles might get stronger, but that won't have a significant effect on your body. The only way to build up your body is through hard work and discipline. Most importantly, you must have a very well practical plan to do that. A diet plan. What should you eat and what you should not? A workout plan. How many times a week will you be working out? How long and what exercises you will be doing? And the more specific and practical is your plan, the higher are the chances you will achieve that goal. And surprisingly, everything else works in the same way. If you want to become a better person, you need a plan on how you're going to develop yourself in different aspects of your life, financially, spiritually, mentally, and so on and so forth. What I would recommend to do is that to pick up 20 books every year in 4 most important aspects of your life. Pick up 5 financial books to understand how to take a better care of your money. Maybe it's time to learn how to invest in the stock market or the real estate. Read another 5 books to improve your social skills. Learn to build a better, stronger relationships. Definitely there are other ways that you can use to work on yourself besides reading. But what matters at the end of the day is, if you want to become a stronger, smarter, and wiser, you must plan all the way to the end. Secondly, consistency is the key. So the other day I was looking for something in my computer and I accidentally came across the first video I have ever created. And I had a lot of fun watching it because it was absolutely horrible. Now I understand why no one wanted to watch that video at that time, and that's the whole point. As I started making more and more videos, I started getting better every time. Of course, it's really difficult to realize the difference after each video, but over a longer period of time, you will clearly see it. The idea is that consistency is what will get you the results. A lot of people email me that they want to start a YouTube channel, but they don't know how to make videos. So was I. But as I started making more and more videos, I started learning and improving. Don't expect yourself to instantly get dramatic results. It always takes more time than you think. What matters at the end of the day is to consistently learn and improve. It doesn't matter how talented are you, it doesn't matter how many opportunities you will get. If you want to grow, consistency is the key. And lastly, learn from other people's mistakes. People always say that you should learn from your mistakes, and that's right. But what's smarter to do is to learn from other people's mistakes. Why would you repeat the same mistakes over and over when you simply can learn it from people who have already done it? If you try to learn everything by yourself, it's going to take you a long time. That's why it's always important to find mentors. A lot of people don't understand what does it mean to find a mentor. It doesn't mean that if you want to learn how to invest, you must convince Warren Buffett himself to personally teach you how to step by step invest in the stock market. Or if you want to learn coding, you need Bill Gates himself to teach you that. That's not how it works. You just need to learn from someone who is 2 or 3 steps ahead of you. If you're starting your first business, nearly anyone who has built even a small tiny business can give you a valuable advice. In short, plan all the way to the end, consistency is the key, and lastly, learn from other people's mistake. And now it's your turn. What do you think? What else would you add to this list? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, hit the like button if you have enjoyed this video, and if you don't want to miss the next video, then hit the subscribe button and the bell besides it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.